3dshoes.com is not an advisor on the stock market and does not share this information to convince or persuade you to invest in a company. The reason this is important is because foretraders.com has announced that Prodways has created a proprietary TPU resin for footwear production, and the company has linked with Nike to utilize their manufacturing capabilities with the brand to create a more consistent performance-based midsole. With Nike's recent success on their Breaking 2 campaign, it stands to reason that the sports performance company will be looking to cut more weight from their footwear to help the everyday athlete and of course their sponsored elite athletes. Designed for use with laser sintering 3D printers, Prodways Group's proprietary thermoplastic polyurethane (TPU) material stands out for its superior elongation at break capacity of over 300%. This exclusive material enables the printing of ultra-flexible midsoles with higher fatigue resistance, while eliminating the time and cost of tooling. This process also enables a high level of precision in 3D printing of lattice structures, a level that could not be reached with traditional manufacturing processes, thus saving weight and bringing higher performance to sportswear midsoles. Prodways endeavors not only improve footwear but they are also increasing capabilities in insole production, and they have developed a 3D printer capable of taking on the task of reducing waste and time in the production of bespoke footwear.